laplap.
Gusto ko to. Uy! Ang ganda nung ikatlong part. Promise. Kaya mo yan.
Sir, yung mga pang gold medal na laplapan, sir.
Paamoy muna, baka mamaya mami, mahimatay eh. Kinakabahan. Kaya mo na yan. 1, 2, 3. Go! Yes! Grabe! Nakaka-perfect. Pero, congratulations to our lucky pair, Mr. Ryan and Miss Danica, all the way from Manila. They actually traveled just to be here with our couple today. Photo op po tayo.